Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 F-150 XLT in magnetic grey. With a grey cloth interior and seating for 6, this 4-door pickup has a 5.5-foot box and a 3.5-litre V6 4x4 engine, as well as an XTR package and a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver enjoys a powered seat with manual lumbar. Off to the side there are your lighting controls and your dash lights. You also have power pedals, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. I'm just going to start up the truck for you. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through. Gauge mode, trip A/B, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and these all have submenus. Off to the side there's your automatic select shifter, and on the end is tow haul. Give that a press, it'll be shown up above in the dash. Press it again, and off it goes. Off to the side there, up above, is the storage bin, and your traction control. Below that's your media display screen with AM/FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and auxiliary line in. CD player located just there with your volume and tuner, as well as your hazard lights. Below that's your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front defrost and your heated side view mirrors. Little storage bin below that with 12-volt outlet, USB, and auxiliary line in. Off to the sides, your 4x4 with locking differential and your integrated trailer brake controller. Couple of cup holders in your armrest, and there's also a clip on the end there. And plenty of storage. You can also flip this seat up for a 6th seat when needed. There's also another clip on the end for some added storage. There's also some cup holders on the bottom there that can sit flush with the rest of the middle seat there. Off to the sides, a 12-volt outlet, as well as a little bit of storage. Glove compartment off to the side. Up above, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and just on the left-hand side there's where you'll see your backup camera view when going in reverse. Lighting controls, 2 sunglasses holders, and grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, chrome magnetic running boards, chrome door handles, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, roll top box cover. That chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below that forward badge is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, a trailer tow hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply walk up and pull on the handle. You'll notice the inside has plenty of room, and there's also tie-downs in all 4 corners. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 and a 60-40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, simply take your hand underneath the seat and push up to enlarge the cargo space. When you're ready to put that seat back down in its original position, simply take your hand on the clip there and pull, and the seat will fall back down in its original position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. On the floor, all-weather mat. Behind the front seats, slim pockets. In the center there, 12-volt outlet and a couple of cup holders. Grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. And up above, lighting and hooks. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass, heated and powered side view mirrors, tow hooks, halogen headlights, and fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.